Welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to access Hostgator Webmail in the easiest way possible. Whether you're brand new or just need a quick refresher, by the end of this guide, you'll be navigating your webmail like a pro. First, open your web browser and head over to hostgator.com. Make sure you're on the official site to avoid phishing attempts or lookalike scams. Once there, you'll notice a clean, user-friendly interface designed to help you find what you need quickly. Next, click on the Sign In button in the top right corner. Enter your login credentials, your username and password, and keep them secure. Once logged in, look for the HostGator home section. If you can't find it, the search function is a handy shortcut. This area is your control hub, offering options from billing to site management. From here, navigate to the hosting section. This is where all your hosting services are managed, including domains, databases, and emails. Then, click on cPanel Email. The cPanel dashboard is the control center for your hosting account, giving you the power to manage files, databases, and most importantly, emails. Inside cPanel, select email accounts. Here, you can view existing webmail accounts, create new ones, and adjust settings as needed. Feel free to explore, but remember to double check changes to maintain proper email preferences and security. And that's it. You've successfully accessed your HostGator webmail. With a little practice, this process will become second nature. If you run into any issues, HostGator support is always ready to help. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick, easy tutorials.